For the first time in tech history, Muslim developers have a golden opportunity. While others are stuck in 9-to-5 jobs missing prayers, a small group of AI developers are building six-figure halal businesses from their laptops. Praying on time, working remotely, choosing their clients, and serving the ummah. I'm a developer and I recently started my own AI development agency where we build AI agents and automations for business.
Amazing intro. You guys want to make money, but you are not tech savvy. And you have a 9-to-5 day job or an existing business, so you have maximum 2 to 3 hours per day. Building or owning a software is not your thing. I know that, and I'm about to assure you that you do not need to learn coding or build your own software, but you can have your own software business. This is one of my Warrior Plus accounts, and from this one account alone, we generated $5.6 million in sales revenue. All these sales came from softwares. And my background is civil engineering. I have zero coding knowledge and experience. In fact, I have never coded a single line of code ever in my life. And I have over 50 software products across Warrior Plus and JVZoo platforms. And if you look at the right columns, you can see numbers like $332,000 from one software launch. I can show you tons and tons of six-figure launches. Then Mosh, why are we talking about software development or software agency? It's because I have done for you solutions for you. By the way, is there anyone stopping you from smashing the like button? If not, gently smash the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Because the only reason we make these videos is to help wonderful people just like you. And when you like this video, share with your friends and family and watch the full video and even comment with questions or your thoughts. YouTube will pick this video up as an important video and show it to more and more people. More people will get the benefit of this content, and inshallah, you will get a part of the blessing. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we need your help. Please consider subscribing to our channel because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days. And it's only possible if you start it. And when you share this video with your friends and family, ask them to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button as well. We will be extremely thankful to you. And when you switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next one. Who knows, maybe the next video is the ultimate missing piece that can take you from where you are to your goal. I'll give you a second for like, share, subscribe, and let's go back to the video. But I want you to stay informed. I want you to stay educated. I want you to gain enough knowledge so you can take educated decisions. Because ultimately, even if your 9-to-5 is paying your bills, it's not yours. If you want to start something of your own, you need to start now. Yesterday was the best day to start, but the next best day is today.
Just look at some recent projects from our agency. A $12,000 project to create automations for a Muslim law firm. A $3,400 project to help a YouTube Dawah channel with 500,000 subscribers translate their content into multiple languages using AI. A $6,000 project to build a voice agent for a home service business, and many more halal projects that pay very well.
Now he's talking about only agencies.
AI customer service. There are two paths to capitalize on it. There is SaaS, which is higher risk, higher investment, and longer timelines, but big upside if you make it work.
Again, I want to reassure you that there are SaaS opportunities without higher risk, without high investment, and without longer timelines. I want to reassure you that there are SaaS opportunities without higher risk, without higher investment, and without longer timelines. I'm talking about done for you option.
And then you have the AI agency route. This is a faster start, immediate income, and lower risk. SaaS is a popular route that a lot of developers try and enforce.
Now, what he wants to say here is that SaaS route will not give you immediate profit. Probably not true, because it all depends on your goal. What do you want to achieve? Let's say you want to earn additional $5,000 per month. I would first go to Perplexity AI for deep research. And I will write, how can a 9-to-5 employee who has only 2 hours to start an AI side hustle and want to earn $5,000 per month from this? We are giving them done for you AI chatbot SaaS software, done for you website, done for you promotion material that they can use, sell to users and keep 100% of the profit. Give me step-by-step plan to start, timeline to hit the goal, use 6th graders reading level, bullet points, text highlights and formatting for readability and emphasis. Use tables and use rating out of 5 to reply. Enter and let Perplexity work. In the meantime, let me show you a done for you SaaS software. It is our own AI chatbot or AI chat assistant. I will drop a link below this video so you can grab it, start using and start selling. First of all, how does it work? In case you don't know about this training, this is the webinar presentation training of our 99% Done For You program. Our 99% Done For You program is for complete beginners, especially who have a 9-to-5 day job or an existing business, like Russell. He lives in UAE and he is from Bangladesh. He made $150, $300, $500, $1,000 commissions. This is Rachel, lives in Australia, and she has her own business. She made multiple $500 commissions. Jody, she lives in UK. She's a busy mom and she has a 9-to-5 day job. She earned multiple $500 commissions. Now I can show you on and on people from many different countries earning $500, $450 commissions just like this, while we did the 99% work for them. If you are interested in our 99% Done For You program, as it comes with the best solution for beginners because all the technical work is taken care of. All you need to do is to click the link in the description below this video and get to this page. Once you are on this page, you should watch this complete training video from start to end. And at any point, if you have any question, I prefer asking questions after watching the full training. You can chat with our AI chat assistant. Put your name and email, click submit, and let's say you didn't understand one specific part. Just type your question and hit enter. Now AI is thinking, and now AI gave you a complete reply. This type of service is extremely important for businesses, online businesses, offline businesses, e-commerce businesses. Many of our 99% Done For You program members signed up to our program after chatting with this AI chat assistant. However, if you still have any question, you can always DM me on Instagram or ask me on Facebook Messenger and I'll be more than happy to answer. Our program members get access to this software as a part of our program. In case you only want access to this AI chat assistant, you want to be able to sell it to your clients and make money, the link is below this video. Now there is another Done For You SaaS option, but before going to this one, let's see what research Perplexity has done for us. Here is a simple step-by-step plan to hit $5,000 per month with your AI chatbot SaaS side hustle, 2 hours per day. Quick start plan. What you get is Done For You AI chatbot software, ready to use website, pre-made ads and promo materials. Here is the timeline. Setup 1 to 3 days. It's easy. 5 out of 5. Launch 1 week, 4 out of 5. Sales 2 to 4 weeks, 3 out of 5. Scaling 1 month or so, rating 2 out of 5. So looks like it's a bit harder as you go, but when everything is done for you, you don't have these problems. Anyways, let's go back to the steps. Week 1, set up and test 2 hours per day. You don't have to because it's already done, but this is what Perplexity gave us considering you are starting fresh. Log into your pre-built software, test it. Type sample questions to see how it responds. Customize your website in case you want it. For example, you want to change your logo or contact info. It will take 10 minutes. That's correct. Set up your Stripe or PayPal for payments. It takes 1 hour. True. Pick your niche. Best niches for quick sales. Small businesses and online stores needing 24/7 support. Did I not just tell you about these 2 businesses? That's just first week. Now the second week, you launch and promote. It will take 2 hours per day again. Share free trials. I don't recommend sharing free trials, but however, that's a suggestion. Offer a 7-day free trial to friends and local businesses. I don't think it's a bad idea. At the MVP stage, at the beginning of creation of this software, I shared with one of my local business owner friends, and he gave me a lot of feedback. From his feedback, we were able to improve this software to this level. Now, this is something we like. Post short videos. Use pre-made promo materials to create 30-second TikTok or Reels showing your bot solving problems. Example, watch our bot answer 100 customers' questions instantly. Now, here is the back end of the software, and let me show you some examples of 763 chats done by our visitors, our website visitors. You can see I asked this question just now, and the full details is recorded here. 2 hours ago, somebody visited, didn't ask any question. 15 hours ago, somebody complained that they cannot pause or resume the video. So we went back to the training information and provided the answer. Now let me ask AI that I can't pause or resume the video and see what answer we get. We provided exactly this answer, but it seems AI improvised the answer. This is amazing. Did you see power of AI? Not only this AI chat agent closed more than 10 high-ticket sales, but from this conversation record, we know what problems our customers and prospects are facing, and we can take measure accordingly. Businesses need this kind of solution and they are ready to pay money for that. Now, another way you can market your new SaaS software is by sending cold emails. And here are 3 practical marketing suggestions that I really love. Number 1, when you offered free trials to your users, you should message them, hey, did you love the trial? If yes, upgrade now for a monthly subscription fees. Or alternatively, you can also offer a one-time deal. The third advice is one of the most important advice. Share your bot in groups like small business owners or e-commerce tips groups. But it may backfire if you do it wrong. Do not just go ahead and share your links or ask people to check out your website or your offer or your software because nobody cares. You are going to get banned from these groups instantly. Instead, be helpful. Answer questions without call to action. Present yourself as a helpful authority and a knowledgeable person in the niche. And put your software details, put your link in the bio. Because when you provide a valuable information and people see you as an authority, a knowledgeable person, they will first go and check who you are, what you do. They will read your bio. And a correctly written bio will drive them to your website. And I don't remember chatting with this person either. It means those visitors simply checked my content either on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or YouTube and went to my link from my profile. And here we are, we can see what's going on. Now on the second month, here is how to scale to $5,000. Add affiliates. Pay others 20 to 30% commission to sell your bot. Okay, that's a great advice. And I have extensive experience with this. In fact, we paid over $3 million in affiliate commissions to our affiliates for selling our softwares. Only from this account alone, we paid $2.6 million in affiliate commissions to our affiliates. This is great. This is amazing, except affiliates need a lot of support. You have to give them everything ready. All they will do is send you traffic. It's nothing bad. It's amazing. I'm just giving you upfront information. But when you get affiliate support, you need to pay them higher commission, as high as possible, at least higher than the other similar softwares in the market. And I believe 20 to 30% commission is not enough. You have to start with minimum 50% commission in order to attract a lot of affiliates. However, you need to automate your customer support that you can do with your own chatbot. Raise prices, increase monthly price by $10 to $20 after getting 10 plus customers. That's a pretty good advice, but you have to be thoughtful about this. You must know what's going on in the market. And you can start with Perplexity AI. Just ask, perform a competition analysis for AI chatbots in the market for features, limitations, customer review, rating, and pricing, and let AI do its job. Now we are getting some answers. For example, Jasper AI, we can see their marketing hook, their features, their limitations, customer review and rating, and here is pricing. ChatGPT, well, that's not what we were looking for, but here we are. Even Claude, Google Gemini, no, that's not what we are looking for. So I kind of tweaked my prompt and asked to redo the research. Okay, now we are talking. We have ShopMate, $29 a month, TDO, $18 a month, LandBot, $30 a month, FlowXO, $19 a month, $15 a month, $49 a month. So probably we can go for something like limited, less than their price, and unlimited, probably $49 to $59 per month. Looks good. And based on customer rating, we can have a look at their features. So far, I have covered SaaS business model. You can get my software. You can sell and keep 100% of the profit when you join the 99% done for you program. Or you can sign up for Hey Chatmate, the chatbot software, separately from the link in the description. But if you want to learn coding, if you want to learn programming and become a programmer, become an agency owner, and provide programming support to businesses, build softwares for others, then you can check this brother's channel. You can go to his description and find the link, maybe this link right here, join his program and learn from him. I haven't checked his program myself, so I have no idea, but from his content, I have a strong belief that he provides great value. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, hit the like button. If no, just share with your friends and family, because whether you like it or you don't like it, this video was made for you, to help you. So you can learn, you can earn, and take advantage of our 99% done for you program. Get financial freedom, maybe retire early, maybe just earn those extra $500 commissions. or just start your own SaaS business. In any case, this video was all about you. So I would highly appreciate if you like, share, and subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. And when you share this video with your friends and family and social media contacts, ask them to subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button as well. Because this way you will help us hit our goal of 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. We will accept this as the best of the best inspiration to continue, provide value, education, and inshallah change lives. For more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.